Here's the north. Okay, I got a lot of visitors. Now, that thing changed because everything got upgraded. This village thing update. They just gave him 10, so there's nothing to do there anymore. Just full there. What I'm after is up here. Stuff. This is what I want to upgrade. See the bench upgrade there? See, I've got these two here, and the little storage thing over there, but fruit scale is what I need. That's what I have to go after. I think. Let me show you. Yeah, that's the tools I got. I got backups. So I search around looking for them. It usually sits in the forest area. So it's here. I think not wood, right? Okay, I got some. Yeah. This one here. Yeah, knotwood rod. Okay, I collected some knotwood, and that's what it gave to me. Got 30 knotwoods. Axe back. Get that axe. Walk these things. Knotwood rod. This machine right here. See, this way they destroyed part of my house. No. Wait. We can get a 2-minute break. 2 hours to work. Yeah, I know. I thought about going to interview or whatever. For about 5 minutes. I've been on for 2 hours now. I have a little video that shows. Oops. I don't use any sound on it like that. Heckers. That actually looked up at my monitors. Like you're the only one I can. You have to be going off here soon. Each we go on for like 2 hours. That's it. You've been on that one. Well, the Robin's team on for like 4 hours. They can keep them on. At least 2 of them. Yeah. I got one in one of my storage. I got stuff away. Cook some meat too. These in there because I know those are gonna be full. Got some silk somewhere. Yeah, there. Right, it's right. Yeah, good silk. Gotta be bone. Another storage chest. Oh, there's one. One slot moving outward. Down here. Need it. There. There. I didn't want to pick those up. Let me throw those somewhere. trash dump over here. Right. You have two, but oh, yeah, they're cleaned up now. Yeah, right. It's full though. I have one. Let's see if we find that fruit again. If I find a door. Wait, let the door open. He's got to be around here somewhere. I saw one. Cave I was just doing. I've never seen brutes in caves. They say they can be in caves, but I've never seen them before. I maybe start going to the desert. Yeah, I think we're going to have to go to the desert. So I'll set up. There's my house. It's a straight line from there. It's that way. One button. One button again. One. Okay. I must be in all the way. I don't know what the buttons are. See, that right there is a desert. So, we something great. That way. Desert's out this way. Way out this way. There's another desert too, but it's even further away. This is actually the closest one I can find. It takes about 10 minutes to get there. I usually get there just as it gets dark. If I leave right away next morning. Might find a fruit on the way too. Get over the yellow ridges, you can almost see the desert. You see the rocks back there, out there. Yes, I know I'm cold. Over everything. Been out here so many millions of times, I know exactly the way. I think we passed these trees. I believe you can see it back out there. Far, far out. A lot of these fires were created by me. Work my way. Follow this road pretty much all the way. Another cave. Keep walking the right cave. So we're going that direction. If not, get Yep. Follow it anyways. Finger actually get a rock. Betty. There's home. There's desert. Yeah, see, you can see the desert out there now. It's coming up on it. Just gonna go down. Put my fires right there. One over here. I got fires everywhere.
One eternity later.
That was a fruit. Someone right there. Little icon there. Just get a fruit in that direction somewhere. Right there. That's a fruit, Ken. See him? That's a fruit. And as soon as I shoot, they're gonna come after me.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.